climbing the mountain. Not doing very good at it there, little dog.
Ready for a virgin territory there?
You throw it farther than that. Hey, Banshee.
Banshee. Hey, puppy.
Puppy.
She's gone subterranean.
They haven't figured out how to tunnel it yet. They're heavy little dogs.
She's gotten halfway there. Goodness! Oh, cold's finally kicking in.
Yep. Had a little too much fun.
Puppy!
What's up there, Emma?